What is up, YouTube? Killakam back in the saddle, the Victory Gunner, aka the Tank. I hope you guys are doing great this morning. Your boy is out here doing my morning routine loop before work. You got to get a ride in before work if you can. A short ride is better than no ride, especially before work, and you got to clock in and do all this, that, the other. A ride just gets your mind right. You breathe in that fresh air, put that helmet on. I got the jacket on with the gloves. I don't know who we're turning into, but I'm liking it. I'm really liking it. You guys keep commenting, what's up with the Gunner? Where's the Gunner? I've been just addicted to this death trap of a BMW that I now own. So thank you for sticking around. The Gunner's not going anywhere. I've been talking about slashing the pipes. We're not going to slash the pipes. I've thought about it. I don't want to give this bike to a shop. They mess it up. I don't like the outcome. I got to buy new pipes anyways. So what I'm going to do, instead of paying a shop fee, I mean possibly not liking it, you guys have sent me some links. The hacker zoomies, or these ones that kind of bow out and they're slashed, they're like 800, 900 bucks. I think that's what I'm gonna go with. This is a long-term bike. I don't want to make a short-term decision on it and not like it, so we're gonna spend the money, get some pipes on the way, make it look clean, because I want this thing to look sick forever. We're not half sending anything with this, just like the BMW. We're showing it some love. Pipes on the way, pipes incoming. So I know you guys are interested to see who won the DYNS giveaway. That is what we're here to do today. Throwing the name up right there. I have no idea who it is. It was completely random. Thank you for entering. That video didn't get that many views, and that was the point. I wanted one of the OGs, someone from way back, to win them. So I'm really stoked on that. Like I said, I don't know who won. Congratulations. Make sure you send me a message with your address, your size, black or blue. My black ones came in the other day. We're rocking the blue. We got the knee pads, the hip pads. If you didn't win, use code Killakam. You're gonna save a good chunk. DYNS.com. Go snag yourself a pair. Well, you read the title, you read the thumbnail. I got in some trouble the other day. I had to go into work. I had a big ticket come back in on my day off. So I took the lady. We're riding in the Stang. The interstate speeds, the speed limits is 60 here and not 70. I'm used to Florida 70. So we're just talking, chatting away, talking about we're getting married in September, talking about wedding stuff. You know how that goes. We're just talking, and I look up and I see buddies behind me. So I'm going 85, just chilling in the Mustang, not even intentionally speeding. If you ever driven one of those cars or anything that has a V8, those cars naturally do not want to go 60 miles an hour. No excuses. I was completely in the wrong. But I looked up, I saw a buddy behind me, completely in the wrong. She was saying, just pull over, you already know he's gonna light you up. And I said, no, I want to see the lights before I pull over. 5 seconds later, he lit me up. I pulled over. I give cops nothing but respect. You guys know I've been pulled over more than a handful of times. Let's just put it that way. I'm real polite with them. I told him I don't BS anything. I don't say I don't know what the speed was. I don't say I don't know how fast I was going. I'm real straight to the point. I was real upset with this one because I really wasn't intentionally speeding. You guys watch the channel. You guys know we like to hit the throttle a little bit. So to get a ticket on my day off when I was going into work just completely sucks. 6 points going on my license. I don't know if this place is anything like Florida where I can go to traffic school and get rid of those points. So let's pray that that's a thing. But it's one of those where 25 over on a 60, you got to go to traffic court, this, that, the other. And knowing me, listen to this. My traffic court date is on the same day as a wedding that I'm supposed to go to. And honestly, it's not the fine that's the problem. I could pay the fine, I was in the wrong. It's those points. 6 points on your license is massive. That is absolutely terrible. I have insurance on the Victory Gunner. I have insurance on the BMW S1000. I have insurance on the Mustang. I can honestly not afford 6 more points on my license. And to be transparent with you, the insurance company didn't even really want to insure me on the BMW S1000RR. So we're in a bit of a pickle here. So I really need to get this situated, whether I could do speed class, this, that, the other. Yeah, we're in trouble. So I took the Gunner out this morning. I want to let the 106 eat, but we're going to relax. I got to relax for a little bit until I get this situated. I cannot afford another ticket. I've been seeing these cops on these back roads now, which is, there's nothing wrong with it. They're doing their job. But if they're on the back roads, I think I have that post-speeding ticket paranoia. If you guys ever been pulled, you know any Tahoe looks like an undercover, any Crown Vic with a spotlight, you think you're gonna lose your license. That paranoia after you get a ticket sucks. Just wanted to let you know, but we got big things coming. I got a new helmet on the way. We got the Rurik Atlas 2, Rurik, I don't know. That's all you see on Instagram, Facebook. I see these ads pop up. I don't want to know how much they spent on this campaign. But I'm going to give you my honest review on that. I bought it. It was like 400 bucks on sale. I was actually going to buy some fancy carbon fiber one for the BMW, but here's my new logic. I'm going to buy that Rurik Atlas 2. It should be here any day now. I got the chin mount from chinmounts.com to get rid of this terrible angle. I'm so tired of this. I should have done this years ago. So we got the new chin mount coming, the new helmet coming. It's black and red, so it's not going to look great with the Gunner. But what I'm going to do is, if that helmet's any good, I'm going to buy the green one to match the Gunner, so that anytime I go on the Gunner, I'm going to have the Gunner angle perfect. Anytime I go on the BMW angle is going to be perfect. Hey, if you guys have any tips on what to do with a speeding ticket in these points, I'm in South Carolina. Any advice? If you've been in my situation, I cannot afford to lose my insurance. I'm not giving up that BMW, man. I cannot. So if you have any tips, let me know down below. And if you see me going a little bit slower, I'm just in timeout, man. I have to get this ticket situated. I just wanted to say thank you for watching. Like the video if you're feeling generous. Subscribe if you ever want to see another one of my videos. Hit that bell. Helps with that algorithm. I would appreciate it. Big things coming. We're going to get through this BMW video next. It's going to be a good one. Killakam out.